Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a full review of the Resurrection Remix ROM for the Google Nexus 5, and this is actually the first ROM that I've installed on the Nexus 5 that comes with the theme engine, which is definitely an amazing feature to have to apply themes and all that. So of course, to install this ROM, this is just a normal procedure to install it. Just download it from the XDA and just flash it by copying into internal memory and then go into the recovery and all that. So let's start off with the lock screen here. So you can see I do have here some lock screen shortcuts. So I've added some apps, and I can double tap to any app and I can go actually hold the app and I can go here into the app that I want to go, and you can see that I can unlock the screen by just swiping up, and also I'm going to go here into the camera by swiping to the left. And the same way I can go here into the dialer. Now you can see that we have these buttons here, touch navigation buttons, which is the same as the stock Lollipop. And you can see the icons are a little bit smaller than the stock, and that feels a little bit different. Same here in the app drawer. You can see that it feels a little bit different there. Icons are smaller, and a lot of apps that comes with this ROM here. You can see audio effects, browser. And then we do have the two music apps, music player default and the play music, and then we have the theme engine app here and the sound recorder. So really great. You have to flash the G apps separately, but then also do have the YouTube application, so which does comes with the latest version, and also you can swipe up for the Google Now, and this is how the home screen looks like. I do have this effect here. Rotation effect and a rotation down effect here. You can hold the screen, and you can also see that we have two new options. You can go here into the application manager directly. You can also, if you hold down the screen here, you can also check out the settings. You can also go here into the widgets. Then you can also check out the wallpapers, which are some normal wallpapers, but you can download the wallpapers if you want to. And then also, if you swipe up, you can have some effect here. For example, I want to have its effect slender in, and then I also going to change the app drawer effect, which I'm going to have accordion. So let's check it out. You can see now it's normal effect there, and then you can see that here we have the app drawer with the accordion effect. So it works really fine. Now just go here into the notification area. You can see that it's with a blue theme now. You can see the font is also Resurrection type font on the top, and this is how it looks. I'm actually using a theme here which is called as Hurricane theme, and I'm using a mixture of Hurricane theme and the stock theme that comes with this ROM. You can see that the notification area is from the Hurricane theme, the app icons are from the stock, and the wallpaper is also from the stock. The font is also from the Hurricane theme, which I'm going to show you here. So this is the quick settings here. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but we have the flashlight, we have location, some normal settings. You can turn on the flash, works really great. And then if I go here into the settings, you can see the font is also a little bit changed. That's because I'm using the Hurricane theme on this ROM here. So let's check out here the About Phone section. This is the Resurrection Remix LP Lollipop 5.3.2 version. So I installed the very same version for the Galaxy Note 2, but I didn't found the theme engine option there. But anyways, if you tap a couple of times the build number, you're going to say you are a developer. It also comes with the 5.0.2 Lollipop version, which is the latest version of the Android. And basically all of the ASP ROMs comes with that version. And if you scroll up, and you'll find the three options. We have the Resurrection Tools. Now Resurrection Tools comes with great options here, from interface to changelog. And the changelog is basically just to show you what are the changing in the new version of the ROM. For example, you can see 5.3.2 changing and all that. Let's see here the interface. So we have the spacebar option. Of course, Navbar options, you can enable or disable Navbar. You can see now we don't have the buttons here. You can enable or disable that, but of course you have to enable it in order to use it. because there's no physical buttons. So but you can also resize the navbar if you want to, navbar height and all that. You can see now they're more smaller. So 48 dB is the default one, so looks pretty great. For example, if you are if you play a lot of games, then you can use that. You can just minimize the width and height so that it does not take a lot of area on the screen. If you go back, and here we have the miscellaneous option. You can have the animations when you scroll down by using this list view animation, all that, system animations. And then also if you go here into lock screen, we can add different type of shortcuts. Like you can see that I've added these shortcuts. To add this, you just have to click on the plus icon and then click on the application. You can add any application you want to, for example, browser. Now when I lock my device and press the power button again, you can see that now I have the browser. I just have to hold it and I'll be in the browser, so that is really great. And also we have the clock widget settings. And let's move down here into notification drawer. You can change the order tiles, and you can also have larger icons, bigger icons, you can say, stuff like that. And let's go back here into the buttons. Now you can have a left-handed mode, which I've switched on, which is basically very convenient if you are holding your phone like this, and if you just move your phone like this in the landscape mode, you can see now the navigation buttons are on the left side instead of the right side. So this is really great to use. You don't have to use it with both hands, so that is really great. And you can turn it off if you want to, left-handed mode. And then also it comes with the power menu here. You can have new options in the power menu. For example, screenshot. You can just untick any other option like reboot menu. You can see now we don't have the reboot menu. So and also this is really great that the power menu is kind of customized, because which is really great because you don't have to hold a couple of buttons to go into bootloader menu and all that. If you go here into more settings, you can see you can have any custom actions. You can set up custom actions if you want to. Then we have the changelog. So let's go back here into the theme chooser. This is how the theme chooser look like. I've done a separate video about this CM12 theme engine review. You can check out my channel full review of how to apply themes, from where to download and all that, how to have the combination and all good stuff. I've done that. So this is the theme that I downloaded. So I'm actually using the combination of these two themes, Hurricane theme. I'm using the style and the wallpapers and notification and alarms, and then also I'm using some few things from here. So this is how it looks like, really good. Then we have the performance. You can have the performance options. So I will check out the elemental kernel on this ROM. I'm going to just check out if it's going to work or not. Elemental kernel works with the stock ROM, stock Lollipop ROM. But I will check it out with the custom ROMs here. With Elemental X, you can have some good stuff like overclocking and all that. I'm going to make a video about that. And then also, if you scroll down here, we have the display option. Now here you have some normal Android options here, sleep and LCD density, which is really great. You can change that, expand in desktop, and then also double tap to sleep. If you double tap on the status bar, you can sleep your device, and you can see that double tap to wake doesn't work, but double tap to sleep works pretty fine. And if we go here, color calibration is also a good options there. Then if we go here into sound and notification, yes, these are some of the normal notification ringtone options. You can change the ringtone. Well, this is really great. You can change the notification light if you want to. You can set up your favorite color. For example, battery light. If I want to change it from red, you can see on the bottom, from red to green, green to blue. I mean, it looks really amazing. You can't really see the good effect here from the camera, but it looks really great. You can change that, and you can set up any color you want. That is really amazing, really amazing. So some normal options there, then storage, battery, some normal Android options, nothing specific. and we also come to the privacy here. You can blacklist any contact that if someone is messing up with you, if someone is spamming you, you can just use this feature to blacklist his or her number so that they don't disturb you. So also if you hold down, if you also click on the this button here, which is the multitasking button, you can close everything just by pressing this button here. And Google Now also works great. You can search anything you want to, you can see that. And then also if I check out here the camera, so the normal stuff like video recording, browser, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, everything is working absolutely fine. There's no as such problem that I have seen, so no problems there with the camera and the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and all that. Some basic stuff is working absolutely fine. Of course, it's a Nexus device, so Nexus devices have pretty stable custom ROMs as compared to other phones. Oops. So about that. Of course, you have the editor. It is the default photo editor that you can have on your device. Effects there, cropping, and really amazing. Close everything at once. So definitely, if you are a custom ROM lover, if you install a lot of custom ROMs on your Nexus devices, on your Nexus 5 actually, then you can give it a try. This ROM here, Resurrection Remix, pretty awesome ROM to check out. And if you want to see more ROM videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. I will focus more towards ROM videos. And if you own any other device like Galaxy S3 series, S3, S series, S3, S4, S5, S2, or any Note phone, or any other phone that you have, even the Google Nexus 6, then do let me know. I will start making some custom ROM videos for that device. And don't forget to subscribe for more ROM videos, and I will see you next one. Peace out.